Hello again, Andy with Handy Andy Handyman, Handy Andy on Demand. And no, I'm not upside down. I'm just trying to shoot this at a weird angle before it gets dark. But we're at a cedar-sided house in Roswell, and the woodpeckers have really gone to town on this siding. So this rustic channel lock will have to replace 3 pieces here on the back corner. We'll replace that corner board and go around the other side. Sometimes the woodpeckers come in because usually they hear insect activity, larvae moving around inside the wood, or boar bees, and then they come and eat, and that's kind of looks like what's happened here. So we got 2 rows on this side and the corner board too. We'll just replace those. The rest of it, he's kept up on his staining. The house is in pretty good shape. I didn't really see any other rot. You can see the squirrels try to chew this corner right here, but I just leave it alone. This underground drain, never put corrugated pipe in here, but fortunately it's a short piece. I think it ends right over there somewhere. So we could clear this and put this downspout back. He's also got probably a condensate line for maybe a dehumidifier in the basement or the AC, and that's probably clogged too, so it's going to start flowing back into the house. This whole pipe is clogged up in here, so we need to clear it and reconnect it if he wants. We pretty much do everything. This one's pretty simple. It's just a little hard to get that siding right now, but we've got a supplier out of state that'll get it to us. We pretty much do everything. My brother and I, we got a team of 30 running all over Atlanta. You can catch us at 770-912-2829. I'm Andy. See you at the next house. Bye for now.